What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subie fam. We got a special one coming for you guys today. We are going to go peep the new whip.
New RA.
Woo, woo.
Taking a left.
Right there.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, the left lane.
Carmax?
No way.
It's right there.
Where?
Right there, that big
Oh, shit.
Yeah, nervous.
There it is.
No way. Where?
Right there.
Where did they rob? Oh, they got a lot of cars here.
Yeah, they do. Here we are, guys. We're pulling up to Carmax now.
Is that? No. Oh my God.
There she is, dude. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Right here. Yes.
Right there. Oh, shit.
I don't even see it.
Looking clean, dude. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Like, imagine this would be all sun bleached. No. Wheel is a little faded, but Shadow Faction Fab. Maybe they'll send us one. she's here.
Clean. Nice new tires, brother. In the RA, ladies and gents.
Number 480.
Right? Alright guys, so it's been a few days since Zaku took the Type RA home. Blue is the name. He named it Blue. He's got a little mascot for it already.
My boy.
Woo! If you guys know Jurassic Park and Jurassic World, that's Blue, the dinosaur. So I figured it goes well, and Zaku figured it goes well with the raptor eye and the blue color, obviously.
I think she should be the keeper. Get a
Oh yeah. So we got some big plans with this car.
Too bad we couldn't get our cars up there. Up on that roof.
Imagine. She's pretty.
Make a little yeah. Alright guys, we got the RA. You know, very scary with the Subaru, especially when we bought her, the tires were completely bolted. She's number 480 out of the 500 made.
Ooh, number 480 guys out of 500.
I'm pretty sure
There it
goes
is.
by the production, like that's the 480th one made.
Ooh. That's super sick, super sick. Comes with the suede wheel already. Obviously, you know, Subaru enthusiasts, you guys know what this car comes with. You got the carbon fiber roof, you got the carbon fiber wing, you got the vents, you got the gold BBS wheels, 19 inches with the silver brakes. And obviously you got the aluminum rods, which do hold a little bit better than the stock rods. Yes.
Well, that comes in anything 19.
Right. That's the RAs, and then obviously anything 19 and up. Does have the different suspension, the upgraded suspension. But other than that, the baby's pretty much she's bone stock. The way it comes from Subaru, we actually
Bilstein coilovers.
There's the Bilstein coilovers.
Massive.
Yellow.
Think of some springs.
Thinking about some springs, maybe some JDM pinks or something.
They don't drop. You need Swift spec Rs.
Maybe some Swift spec Rs. Okay.
You gotta even notice, bro. It has like a little banner right here of tint.
Yes.
We bring
Super
it down
clean.
the street, though, get it all tinted again.
Facts. Nice tint. Scooby needs some tint too. Some rain guards, mud flaps. Obviously, if you guys know the channel, we're gonna be starting this build real soon, catching all the footage on it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe if you want to check out this build and everything we get done to it in the future and how everything gets done.
You gotta get this carbon fiber, guys.
Oh, facts.
I want that carbon fiber.
He wants that carbon fiber.
I think it's KDM.
Oh, we actually did already throw some axe backs on there too, by the way.
Let's see how it sounds.
There's some nameless axe backs on there. We'll get a quick sound clip to end the video off.
She's warm.
She is warm. Woo! we had to give the RA that Subie rumble instantly and treat her right, baby. So congratulations to my big brother Zaku on his new purchase. And like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subie fam out.
Deuces.